Have you ever wondered why some people instantly capture attention the moment they walk into a room? They aren't always the richest, the most attractive, or the loudest person there. Yet people naturally respect them, trust them, and enjoy being around them. The secret isn't luck, it isn't perfect looks, and it definitely isn't pretending to be someone else. The secret is confidence, the kind that comes from within. In relationships, confidence is one of the most attractive qualities anyone can have. It creates trust, emotional safety, and genuine connection. The good news is that confidence isn't something you're born with. It's a skill that anyone can build. In today's video, you'll discover 5 powerful psychology lessons that will help you become irresistibly confident in relationships. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final lesson is the one most people completely overlook, yet it has the biggest impact on how others see you. Lesson 1. Confidence begins with self-worth. True confidence doesn't begin when someone likes you. It begins when you genuinely like yourself. Many people make the mistake of depending on compliments, attention, or validation from others to feel valuable. But psychology tells us that lasting confidence comes from internal self-worth. When you know your values, respect yourself, and accept your imperfections, you stop chasing approval. Instead of constantly worrying about what others think, you become comfortable being yourself. Ironically, this authenticity makes you even more attractive. People are naturally drawn to those who are secure in who they are. Start by speaking kindly to yourself, celebrating your progress instead of chasing perfection, and remembering that your value doesn't depend on someone else's opinion. The healthier your relationship with yourself becomes, the healthier every other relationship in your life will become as well. Lesson 2. Stop seeking constant validation. One of the biggest confidence killers is constantly looking for reassurance from other people. Questions like, do they like me? Did I say something wrong? Or, why haven't they replied yet? Can quickly create anxiety. Confident people don't ignore others' opinions completely, but they don't allow those opinions to control their emotions. Instead, they focus on what they can control, their actions, honesty, and personal growth. When you stop needing everyone to approve of you, you become calmer and more emotionally attractive. Ironically, people often become more interested in someone who isn't desperately seeking attention. Practice trusting yourself. Make decisions based on your values rather than fear. The less you depend on outside validation, the stronger and more peaceful your confidence becomes. Lesson 3. Communicate with calm confidence. Confident people don't need to dominate conversations. They don't interrupt constantly or try to prove they're always right. Instead, they communicate clearly, honestly, and respectfully. Psychology shows that calm communication builds trust much faster than aggressive behavior. Speak slowly. Maintain comfortable eye contact. Listen carefully before responding. Ask thoughtful questions instead of trying to impress everyone. Remember that confidence isn't about having the loudest voice in the room. It's about believing your voice deserves to be heard. When disagreements happen, stay respectful instead of defensive. People remember how you make them feel more than the exact words you say. Calm confidence creates emotional safety, and emotional safety is one of the strongest foundations of lasting relationships. Lesson 4. Set healthy boundaries without guilt. Many people believe that saying yes all the time makes them kind and lovable, but psychology shows that healthy relationships require healthy boundaries. Confident people know when to say yes and when to respectfully say no. They don't allow others to constantly disrespect their time, energy, or emotions. Setting boundaries doesn't make you selfish. It shows that you value yourself while still respecting others. In fact, people often respect those who have clear boundaries because they know exactly where they stand. Start with small boundaries. Protect your time. Speak honestly about your needs. Remember that people who truly care about you will appreciate honesty far more than fake agreement. Healthy boundaries create stronger, more balanced relationships. Lesson 5. Become the source of your own happiness. The most irresistible confidence comes from knowing that your happiness doesn't depend entirely on another person. Relationships should add joy to your life, not become your entire identity. Continue building your hobbies, friendships, career, health, and personal goals even while you're in a relationship. Psychology consistently shows that people who maintain a balanced life experience healthier, longer-lasting relationships because they don't place impossible emotional pressure on their partner. When you enjoy your own life, you naturally bring more positivity into every relationship. Confidence grows every time you keep promises to yourself, learn new skills, overcome challenges, and continue growing as a person. The strongest relationships are formed by two complete individuals choosing to grow together, not two people expecting each other to fill every emotional need. Confidence isn't about pretending to be fearless or perfect. It's about accepting yourself, continuing to grow, and treating both yourself and others with respect. When you build genuine self-worth, stop chasing validation, communicate calmly, set healthy boundaries, and create happiness from within, you naturally become more attractive. Not because you're trying to impress people, but because you're living authentically. Remember, confidence is built through small daily actions, not overnight transformation. Every conversation, every challenge, and every decision is another opportunity to become stronger. If today's video helped you understand the psychology of confidence in relationships, don't keep these lessons to yourself. Share this video with someone who could benefit from it. And if you want more psychology-based tips on relationships, attraction, and personal growth, be sure to subscribe and join us for the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the most attractive version of you is the one that confidently embraces who you truly are.